Every project starts with preparation. Before the welding begins, before the grinding, before the installation, there is always the cutting stage. What you're seeing here is the beginning of another productive day in the workshop. The machine is running, the materials are ready, the measurements have been confirmed. Now the work begins. Many people only see the finished products. Yes. They admire the burglary, they admire the gate, they admire the metal structures. But you know what? They rarely see the process behind it. Every cut here contributes to the quality of the final results. Yes. And that is why we are very careful in giving the right measurements, because any small measurement error at this stage can affect the entire project, be it gate, be it burglary, and what have you. That is why professional fabrication require patience, precision, and attention to detail. In this workshop, we focus on doing things correctly from the start, because it actually starts from us, then to the fabricators, to the welders who will put all these structures together to give what is expected. And the truth is that quality is never achieved by accidents. Quality is built into every step of the process. Every cut, every weld, every finishing touch. Yes, that is what transforms ordinary materials into durable structures that serves customers for many years. The work may look simple, but behind every project there is skill, there is experience, and there is commitment to achieve excellence. So this is another day, another project, another opportunity to create something very valuable. So get to work, and let's get to work too. This is Creative TV. Please follow for more creative ideas.